March 21st, everyone. Take a look on this video as I would like to address the power of Alpha Fibonacci Method, Alpha Fibonacci tool on charts from 1 minute all the way to weekly charts, from S&P to stocks to Forex. This is critical support that's been present in the trading room for weeks. This is support we expected for market to rally from. This is support in a play on 1 minute chart. Right now at the market open, bullish rally overextended, and what do we need? We need a pullback prior to touching this market. What else do we know? That with very high probability, if price will skyrocket to here, monitor for short. And if I convert this chart to 5, identical accuracy remains. This is FOMC yesterday, all recorded on video, posted on YouTube, and will be newsletter this weekend. Bullish rally started prior to FOMC and market sold off despite rates not being raised. And where did the market rally from again and again? Key Fibonacci Support. And if I go back weeks ago, this is exact same thing that happened on March 19th. This is exact same support in a play on March 15th, 14th, 13th. This is the end of the minor trend in a play on S&P for weeks. We're dealing with equal buyers and equal sellers. This is the level that holding bullish rally to drastically higher levels. This support is what holding market to the downside. Never ever ever short near. And if I convert this chart to 15, identical accuracy remains. Not the place to short near. What else is this chart showing you? Ultimate trend inception on March 8th, where buyers stepped in from. 27-28 level, all identified in advance, present in the room since February. And if I would take exact same chart and convert it to hourly, this is a chart, traders. This is the method to the tick. No matter what chart on S&P you trade. And if I would take exact same chart right now on Apple, take a look. Apple at exact same support at 93 in 2015 comes out with the worst earnings in 13 years. Worst earnings in 13 years don't mean a thing. Fibonacci support means everything. What did Apple do? Doubled in value. This is a chart that twinned with S&P this week. Identical strategy. What is the difference? If you are a day trader, you have a small account, you're using strategy on S&P. If you're holding stocks long term, if you're using options, weekly is a flawless stunning chart you need to spend 5 minutes a week on. What did Apple do next? Heading higher and higher and higher. After crucial Fibonacci resistance is broken, it only took Apple more than 7 months to do. And that's Apple next. In pullback, until what level? Key Fibonacci Support 181, that was crucial Fibonacci resistance. Identical level as on S&P. And that's where fun began. When Apple reaches Fibonacci reversal zone, the end of the minor trend, the end of the major trend, Apple in pain. Apple doesn't come out with bad earnings yet. Apple doesn't come out with poor sales on iPhone. Did anyone expect Apple to sell off? Of course, knowledgeable student and graduate does, because that's what price does 80+% of the time when it reaches Fibonacci reversal zone. Rules are met, take a trade. And what do you see ahead of you at the bottom? 140. Apple in free fall. Poor Apple. And this is Apple now. It never gets old, I promise. Rallying from 140. Chart present in the room for years. Knowing how to trade this, you must know the rules. Identical accuracy applies. Doesn't matter if you trade 5-minute S&P or if you're holding Apple long term. Do not buy into reversal zone. Rules I met, take short. Do not short into reversal zone. Rules are met, take long. And that's what course all about. All in advance. Never ever ever after the fact. What you want to trade is your choice. You want to trade them all. Why not? Chart on S&P is twin with Apple this week. Identical strategy in front of you. Very different risk management, very different hold time. You learn this, you decide what you want to trade. Very, very important lesson yesterday. If you missed our video on FOMC, pretty please to watch. Rates not raised does not mean a thing. Fibonacci resistance means everything. How many points did S&P collapse? 30 points. Spectacular, amazing news. S&P sold off because Fibonacci said so. As witnessed not Apple. Horrific earnings did not mean a thing. Apple more than doubled in value. Spectacular news on S&P doesn't mean a thing. Fibonacci resistance is a problem. Expect sell-off. Rules are met, take a trade. It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate the trading. Price is that simple. If I would show you this chart, you will see a lot. You will see the volume. You will see the clarity. You will see anything you wish. You do not need anything else, because this chart is identical to Apple. All the charts look exactly the same. If you can master this, you can trade anything. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Nothing else matters. And that's the power of the method. And that's the reason why top Wall Street firms working with me. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. So if you would like to join us in Fibonacci Mastery course, please review the information on the website. Please see what students do. 8-week course includes almost 40 videos of prior recorded classes, current classes recorded. 8-week course includes Proprietary Fibonacci Method with Proprietary Fibonacci Strategies you can apply to any instrument, any platform you choose to trade. Guided live trading room included. Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci settings included. I am with students 4 days a week, key classes Monday and Thursday. If you will decide to join us in private mentoring, I have to speak with you first. I do not accept everyone into private mentoring. Only one spot available. Brad started with group, decided to learn everything. When you join in private mentoring, you can learn many other strategies. View video what Brad is sharing about his performance. With 6 months course, I work with you one-on-one, and you have access to all group classes. Favorite part of the website for me personally? What students share about course, what students trade and how. Listen to students' podcasts, see Facebook reviews, see what students do. Simple. You make an effort, you join the club of 5% knowledgeable traders. Bill had done this only a couple of weeks in the course. And that's the key. Here's another email from my incredible student Tom, who is an options trader. Look at this email. Music to my ears. Key concept, clear understanding of periodic resistance and support. Tom is an options trader. Bill, day trader. Drastically different traders, trading very different instruments. An invaluable Fibonacci tool. And the rest is everything to me. So, knowledge is power. Those who take charge of their trading, those who do not rely on indicators, those who do not chase the markets, joining the course. Knowledge is everything. Effort is everything, no matter what you do. And so here's a student who is making a serious effort. 6 months without negative day in his trading. This month, 7 trades, maximum an hour in front of the computer, few times a week. 6 months without negative day. This is quality trading, traders. You can view video on website that Brad created. Brad started with Mastery Group course and then decided to learn everything under reviews.